Glide through words, mastering the use of gracefully in English collocations. Hello language enthusiasts! Today we're diving into an exciting topic in our advanced vocabulary series. Adverbs of manner plus adjective collocations. We're putting the spotlight on one elegant adverb, gracefully. By the end of this video, you'll have a great understanding of how to use gracefully with various adjectives. So, let's get started. Gracefully is an adverb that describes actions done with elegance or beauty, often in a smooth or controlled manner. It can be paired with numerous adjectives to intensify their meanings and give your sentences a certain flair. This adverb is often used to describe movements or transitions, but it can be applied in more abstract contexts as well. Here's where it gets interesting. Let's talk about some common adjective collocations with gracefully. 1. Gracefully elegant. This phrase often refers to someone or something that possesses a dignified and smooth charm. Example: the dancer was gracefully elegant in her performance. 2. Gracefully simple. This means something that is uncomplicated yet done with a certain finesse. Example: the decor of the room was gracefully simple, making it quite inviting. 3. Gracefully quiet. This refers to a peaceful, untroubled silence. Example: the library was gracefully quiet, perfect for focused studying. Remember, these are just a few examples. There's a world of other adjectives out there waiting to be explored with gracefully. The best way to master gracefully is to use it in your sentences. Try to create your sentences using gracefully with different adjectives. And don't limit yourself. Play with various contexts. Here's an example to get you started. The sun set gracefully, casting a beautifully warm hue over the landscape. Notice how we've used gracefully to describe the setting of the sun. It's your turn now. And there you have it. We've gracefully sailed through the use of gracefully in English collocations. Remember, learning is a continuous process, so keep practicing. Your vocabulary is becoming more vibrant and sophisticated with each lesson. Thanks for watching, and remember, language learning is not a sprint, it's a marathon. So, keep at it gracefully and you'll master English in no time. Until our next video, happy learning!